Butternut squash tagine tray bake. Gorgeous warming flavours, hardly any washing up, and filling healthy food. Is there anything not to love about the Slimming World tagine tray bake? Add the onion wedges, squash chunks and 4 garlic cloves to a large non-stick roasting tin. Sprinkle over 1 tablespoon of Ras Al Hanout spice mix and spray with low-calorie cooking spray. Toss together and roast at 180 degrees C fan oven, 200 degrees C or gas mark 6, 20 minutes until the veg is starting to turn golden at the edges. Add a 400 gram tin of chopped tomatoes and a tin of drained chickpeas, along with 500 ml of hot vegetable stock. Return to the oven for another 20 minutes. Right at the end, add 150 grams of spinach and give it another 5 minutes until the spinach starts to wilt. Serve straight away, couscous and fresh parsley.